Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Ghidra 11.3.2 on Parrot Security OS 6.3. But the process is same on all Parrot Security OS versions. First open any web browser. Now go to Ghidra official website, that is ghidra-sre.org. See here, Ghidra is a software reverse engineering suite of tools developed by NSS Research Directorate in support of the cybersecurity mission. So click on download from the GitHub. See here, the latest release at the time of making this video is 11.3.2. If you want older versions, scroll down. See here we have the different older versions. So click on, see here, download the zip file. Click on it. At a moment download will be started. Select the path and click on save. See, download started and its size is 426 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Okay. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Then click on installation guide. Then click on this minimum requirements. See, we must have RAM 4 GB, 1 GB storage space. Okay. And the software requirements: Java 21, JDK, Java 21 runtime development kit, Java 21 64-bit runtime and development kit, and Python version 3.9 to 3.13. Okay. First open terminal. Verify the Java version by running this command. See, we have the version 17, but the recommended one is 21. Also verify the Python version, Python 3. See, Python version is matched. Control C, Control G to quit, Control A. Now also download the Java JDK 21. So click on this Adaptive Tamarind. Now scroll down, select the operating system, select Linux, then select x64, then select the package type JDK, then select the version of the Java JDK 21 LTS. See, once selected, it populated the JDK and see here the button tar-z and download icon. So click on it. Wait a moment, download will be started. Then select the path to save this OpenJDK 21. So I am going to download all in this downloads directory. So select save. Now go to downloads. See here, both downloads are in progress and the size of the Java JDK is 197 megabytes. See, both the downloads completed. Now go to the terminal again. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the both Ghidra and OpenJDK. So unzip this Ghidra file. So give the command unzip Ghidra, give the tab to autofill entire zip file name. Hit enter. We have successfully extracted. Control L, ls. See, extraction completed. So remove this zip file. It is not required anymore. rm Ghidra, give the tab. Remove only this zip file. ls. Also untar this OpenJDK. tar-xvf. Then give open. Give the tab. Hit enter. Okay. Extracted successfully. ls. Remove this zip file also. rm. You open. Hit enter. ls. See here we have both extracted folders. That is JDK 21 and Ghidra 11.3.2. Okay. Now install Ghidra. So go to the Java nodes. This section is for Windows operating systems and below one is the for Linux. Okay. So this step we have completed, that is extracting the Java JDK. Then go to Ghidra directory, cd Ghidra, give the tab, ls. See here we have the Ghidra run file. We have to execute. Now run .ghidra run. Hit enter. Now hit enter. See, enter the path to JDK home directory. Or for dialog we have to hit enter. Wait a moment, we will get the dialog. Then go to this download directory, downloads folder, double click on it, then select the Java JDK, then click on open. Wait a moment, Ghidra will be opened. See, Ghidra user agreement. Now select the I agree. See, it is loading or initializing the Ghidra. See, successfully loaded. Don't show these tips at startup. Close this one. And in the background, see, this is the help document. Close it. Then go to, see here, we have successfully opened Ghidra. Go to help, then select Ghidra. See here, we have installed Ghidra 11.3.2 and the version of the Java is 21. Okay, close it. If you want to create project, go to file and select project. If you want to open the existing project, select the project. If you want to delete it, delete. Restore project, configure. See here we have these options. Okay, both utility and Git core are selected. And install extensions. See, these are the list of the available extensions. If you want to new one, click on this new one, and if you have any downloaded, select it. Okay, if you want like this one, select it. Okay, so I don't want anything as of now. Then go to edit. See here tool options, plugin path, set PKE certificates, theme, project, workspace. Okay, nothing is there. Tools, nothing. Okay, help document. If you want to open the help again, that is help document, click on content. See here we got the help document. So in this video we have seen how to install or set up Ghidra 11.3.2 on Parrot Security OS 6.3. As I told you, the process is same on all Parrot Security OS operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.